How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To dumb down, James and Rebecca are colleagues. They're in a meeting room working on a presentation. What do you think of the presentation so far, Rebecca? Honestly, James, after looking it over, it's a lot. Do you think it might be too technical for the new team members? Could be. Can we make it easier to understand? I don't want to oversimplify it, though. How can we make it understandable without losing the idea? Let's find a balance by including some clear examples and definitions. That way, we won't have to dumb down the whole thing. Quiz time! What does to dumb down mean? To lose intelligence? To make something easier to understand? To change a presentation? To be stupid? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To make something easier to understand. Before we continue, do you want to choose the next phrasal verb lessons? Then join the channel membership today and become an English fan or an English explorer. Just click the link in the description. Now, let's study. Phrasal verb secrets. Dumb down means to make something simpler and easier to understand, often by removing complex details. Down in this verb gives the sense of reducing or lowering something, in this case, complexity. This idea can be seen in other phrases, like cut down on, which means to reduce the amount of something you eat or drink. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comment section. Dumb down can be separated if you choose to. We need to dumb down this guide for new users. They dumbed the manual down so that beginners could understand it. Verbs with down. These are verbs with similar meanings. If it helps, think of the word down as reducing or decreasing something. Dumb down. Reduce complexity. Make simpler. Break down. Reduce the amount of parts. Cut down on. Reduce intake of something. Slow down. Reduce speed. Calm down. Reduce stress. Come down with. Reduce immunity. Become sick. Let down. Reduce your mood. Become disappointed. Examples. The textbook was written in a complex language, so the author had to dumb it down for young readers. Sometimes it's necessary to dumb the language down in a technical manual. Don't dumb down your speech. People will understand if you explain clearly. The movie was originally intended for mature audiences, but the studio decided to dumb it down to reach a wider market. Extra examples. To analyze the data effectively, the researcher decided to break it down into smaller segments. The organizer had to break down the event schedule into individual sessions to fit the time slots. I'm trying to cut down on sugar in my diet. She needed to cut down on her expenses to save money for her upcoming vacation. The driver was going too fast, so the police officer asked him to slow down. The doctor advised the patient to slow down their exercise routine to avoid injury. When the child started crying, the mother tried to calm him down with a lullaby. The counselor's soothing voice helped the student calm down before their important exam. After the camping trip, several of the children came down with a cold. The team's star player came down with a viral infection, affecting their performance in the match. The news of the cancellation let down many fans who were looking forward to the concert. She felt let down when her best friend didn't show up to her birthday party. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. So far. Until now. It might be too technical. Maybe it's too technical. Oversimplify. Make too simple. Though. But. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.